When can you sue a school for sexual abuse? If you or someone you know has experienced sexual abuse at school, understanding your rights is crucial. Let's explore when and how you can sue a school for sexual abuse. Sexual abuse or assault involves unwanted or non-consensual sexual touching or contact. Two crucial elements must be present: sexual intent and lack of consent. Schools can be held liable for such acts committed on their grounds by teachers, students, or employees. Holding a school liable. If you're a victim, you can file a civil lawsuit against both the individual abuser and the school. Suing the school is often more practical, given their resources and insurance coverage. Schools have a legal duty to protect students from sexual abuse, and breaching this duty can lead to legal accountability. Negligent hiring and retention. Consider a scenario where an older teacher sexually abuses an underage student. If the school ignored prior complaints about the teacher's behavior, they could be held liable for negligently hiring and retaining the teacher. In cases of student-on-student abuse on school grounds, the school might be liable for negligent security if they fail to implement adequate safety policies protecting students from each other. Statute of limitations. It's crucial to be aware of the statute of limitations varying by state, setting a deadline for filing a school sexual abuse lawsuit. For minors, these deadlines may be longer, with some states even eliminating limitations for child sexual abuse cases. Bringing a lawsuit. Victims can file civil lawsuits regardless of whether criminal charges were pressed. The key is the victim's willingness to testify about the abuse, supported by evidence such as medical records or witness testimony. Wondering about potential settlement amounts? Several factors influence the settlement value, including the nature and severity of the abuse, school liability, and the strength of evidence supporting the claims. Let's look at real cases to understand the range of settlements. From a $500,000 settlement in Washington to a $6 million verdict in Florida, these cases highlight the significance of holding schools accountable for sexual abuse. If you've experienced sexual abuse, remember, you have the right to seek justice. Consult with a school sex abuse lawyer who can guide you through the legal process and help you stand up for your rights. Together, let's work towards creating safer learning environments for all.